I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PUBG mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for PUBG mobile app, or just click on search. Then here add PUBG mobile app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for PUBG mobile app. Sorry, it's going to show for you here. PUBG mobile app is going to show for you like this here. Click on it, click on it here. Then here it's going to show for you. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.